Welcome to Cahal Pech Island! Belize, what's up?
Bienvenido from Belize! We are Ava and Will, an adventure-seeking couple who loves to travel and share with you our budget-friendly tips.
Are you ready for an epic-packed adventure? Follow us to Belize, where our kiddos Cash and Charlotte become Patty Diver certified in key cocker.
Oh, but it does not stop there. We head back to mainland Belize to explore the Mayan ruins in two different parts of the country, where we experience a rain thunderstorm while standing on top of a temple.
Then we head to the Belize Zoo, where we meet Mr. Sparky, the national animal at tapir, and many other exotic animals. Afterwards, we explore the underworld Mayan caves by floating on tubes, and end our trip with an epic Belizean waterfall. So follow us along this epic journey.
Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing adventures to come.
It's unbelievable.
Back to Belize. Yep, that's where we are now.
Playing football at the split, y'all. Yeah, I'm not good at football, y'all. Whoa! Wow, you see that?
We had to come take the kids here to Iguana Reef to experience this. They come right over your feet. It's so neat.
Yes, the Iguana Reef in like every day at like 5 o'clock.
Right here on Cape Cocker.
Dude, that's cool.
Key Cocker Island.
Key Cocker.
You think by now we know how to pronounce it.
We've never been experts at pronunciations though.
Biggie, just eat my feet, I guess.
So wait.
Such a weird feeling.
Yeah.
There's Charlotte.
Yeah.
So what'd y'all find? Cash, Charlotte, and Will? What'd y'all find?
They're seahorses. It's pretty amazing.
Right down there, this is a seahorse habitat. It's unbelievable, y'all. This place is neat. Homemade breakfast. Today is a big day, y'all, because they are going for their first day of schooling for scuba diving. Woo! How exciting, here in Cape Cocker Island, Belize. It's unbelievable. Cash and Charlotte are getting certified here at Blue Wave Divers. The only reason we chose here, well, they have good reviews. But one of the reasons is budget, right? So we got a deal on the airplane tickets and school here. It was cheaper than going back to Rotan, even though that's where we would have rather have gone. But we trust that they will do amazing here as well. And it's such actually a pretty day. It's been raining the last few days we've been here, and it's actually sunny and windy.
Dad got what he wanted. Dad got the first day of school picture.
And Will can tell you a little more why we chose. I told you it's because we're budget friendly, right?
I absolutely love Octopus Dive School. Recommend Octopus Dive School like so much, and on top of those, we had a 5-star best experience there. However, when we went to go book flights during summer, each ticket was like $1,300 each way, so it just wasn't economically feasible for our family. Whereas I found these really great tickets on Southwest using nothing but our points, using points that we accumulated on our Southwest card, and so
Credit
basically
card.
our family was able to fly for free coming here. The price for the school at Blue Wave Divers is a great price. It was $450. So, and that includes all your schooling, everything.
Other than that, we're just gonna chill for the next few days while they're doing that. And we're gonna go dive with them on the last dive.
Yes.
Yeah, and Cal is their instructor. He seems pretty nice, and he seems like he is very well knowledge. So if you haven't been following along with us thank you for being here, and thank you for watching our videos. We actually came to this island about a year and a half ago, and we have a video right here. You can check it out. It's actually really cool. We can talk more to you about what the split and what Cape Cocker has to offer. More in that video than this one. And all the other flavors and iced coffee, and it's obviously the place to be. I've been seeing this for the last 3 days. There's like lines out the door sometimes, so we got lucky and we're excited.
And I got a coconut cold brew coming, which is pretty cool.
It actually is good. Confirmed. Passion fruit orange smoothie. So natural, and they like add a little sugar to it, and you can add more if you want, but I'm staying on more the natural side. It's so yummy.
But nothing beats iced coffee with coconut. It's actually a coconut cold brew. It's got a palm tree on it. Come on, man. Can't beat that.
So we're gonna enjoy this and walk back, and we're just gonna chill for a little bit. Will's got some paperwork. I got some paperwork stuff to do, and then yeah, we'll probably just have dinner later and keep chilling, because that's what you do on Cape Cocker Island. Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Chill place.
Yeah.
And the cool part about our Airbnb, if anybody wants to know the details, it's $85 a night. Gives you 2 full bedrooms. We do have a kitchen, and we do have a pool, and we have 3 neighboring cabanas.
Yeah.
And a kitchenette. Let's go
nice,
do the tour.
It's kind of more in the local area, so it's quiet, especially at night. So you come up the porch, and first we gotta wash our footsies because we just walked across town barefoot. Minded. Alright, welcome to my crib, y'all. It's a big open concept. You have your kitchenette, dining area, living room, and a supermart all over. There's a few on the island, but there's one just right here you can walk to, and you can stock it up like we have, which you can save a little moolah. Cook here. Sorry, it's a mess. We cooked breakfast this morning for my babies since they're getting scuba dived and certified. And check out these ceilings. Look at that. So pretty the way it's made. Okay, we've been living in here for 3 days. As usual, we forget to show y'all it when it's nice and neat, so sorry. But yeah, you got what you need. You got a place to do your business and take a shower.
And a really cute sink.
Yeah. Yeah, so you got this cute one right here with a little full size, possibly a queen size. It looks more like full size.
That's a full size.
Yeah, it's full size bed. Yeah, and this is our room, y'all, with another full size bed that fits 2 people. So $85 a night. Obviously, depending on when you come during the year, it might be a little more, a little less. But relatively, with both our experiences here on Cape Cocker Island and Belize, it's been unbelievable with the prices. It's actually very affordable here, and that's why we came back. Just brought our groceries from there. $25 for dinner. And it's right here next to our Airbnb. That's where we're staying. Bam. So Belize to US is every $1 US is $2 of Belize.
Yes. Yeah. 1 to 2 ratio, so it's nice to be able to do the math very easy.
Just prepping the food. Honey bunches. That's a little interview soon for school. We're having goulash, which is a really good dish. It's like a beef vegetable medley kind of dish. Ooh, got that goulash cooking, and it smells so good in here. And we have the roasted broccoli going. Home cooked island meal.
Fool me once, but you can't fool me twice. Take me back to the days when I'm fucking tight, dog. Money never change, we even though we never spend it right, dog. Calling my numbers every time they come up short, my G. We're gonna on my G.
Welcome to Cape Cocker Island! Belize Zoo, what's up?
We are here at Blue Wave Divers, where our kids, Cash and Charlotte, have been getting certified. to become open water divers. And we are here on their last day to go diving with them. So this is going to be so exciting.
What's up, baby mommy? Let's do it.
We get to watch our kids get certified.
I know, I'm so proud of them.
You ready to get certified? Yeah. Today's the day. Cash, are you ready to get certified? Yeah. Yeah? Today's the day. And just like that, the sun is down on our last night here in Keycocker, Belize. It's our last night here, and we're going to the mainland tomorrow to explore more of the country, going to the jungle. But thank you so much, Keycocker, for another awesome experience and taking care of my family.
We love you, Keycocker. We love you, Belize. So bye. Bye, Keycocker.
Alright, we're walking over to the boat shuttle to get back to Belize City, Belize, mainland. Keycocker has been amazing. So awesome. I mean, this trip was more about Will making sure that he passes his exam to become a paramedic and the kids becoming certified divers, and everything has been accomplished. Woo! So here we go. On to the next adventure. By the way, we chose to go by foot on this island because it's easier and cheaper. It's actually easy to walk everywhere. I guess the easier option would be a golf cart, and I don't know how much the rentals are, but you could do that. They also have golf cart taxis, which I'm not quite sure how much they are, but I'm sure they're not that expensive because everything here on the island is very decently priced.
Free passes. Going back to Belize City. Thank you, sir.
Time to go to the mainland.
The sadness of leaving the beach. But the bright side is we're not going home. We're going to the jungle.
We love you.
Bye.
We're in the boat.
Ava and Will.
Oh my God! Jesus Christ!
About to have a new subscriber, y'all.
Altun Ha Mayan ruin, guys.
And your restaurant is
Yeah, we're Maya Crystal Skull.
some good home cooked food, y'all.
Yes,
New subscriber. Yeah, so we're about to go see some Mayan ruins. So we're just having a little bite to eat since it was probably about a 45-minute drive from Belize City, Belize, over to Altun Ha. Oh, look at that, to cook food. That's awesome.
That is cool. The detail is amazing.
So we're officially at Altun Ha, and it is fantastic. I love history, and I love the Mayan history. We're in a town called Rockstone Pond, Belize. It's about 45 minutes northwest, just a little northwest of Belize City, Belize, and Altun Ha, which is the Mayan temples. They do have tour guides here that are $10 USD per person. We chose not to do that. There are plenty of signs in the building right before you go through the entrance that you can read about it a little bit, and then you pay the entrance fee, which is $5 US per person. Altun Ha, we are here. The Mayan ruins are amazing, and look! I didn't think about that.
It's okay, you got this. Look at them long legs. Them boots is made for walking.
I don't like
I think baby mama seems a little scared.
Ooh, I do not like heights. This is crazy.
Scary.
Oh,
You got this, mommy!
You got this, mommy! Tell her, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it! Here the kids down there making fun of me. Dad, don't twist your ankle. Me. Yeah, I got crappy ankles. What's good?
oh my gosh.
Wow, those stairs are crazy!
Like, be able to walk exactly where they walked before, you know, the Mayans. It's really cool. Partly, I don't like it. I feel like they should do like Chichen Itza and not allow people to walk on it. But there is this aspect of like that tactile aspect where you can like feel and walk the very same place that the Mayans used to. It's really neat, really cool, and what a true blessing that we're able to do this actually. So thank you. But shame on those that have been able to come up here and carve things into the stones.
Somebody carved something in here?
Someone from Texas too, so shame on you.
That's crazy. Dude, rude. And that's who's gonna mess it up for everybody too. That enough right there is why they shouldn't let anybody on here. Somebody's gonna act an idiot. Yeah. It's number what reason why you hate people?
Number 3 million.
She has 3 million reasons why she hates people. This is one of them.
Well.
Douche Lord.
Each one of these stones were hand placed.
It's amazing.
I feel like I'm in an arena. A Mayan arena. Ah!
You might be.
Crazy.
Welcome to the Temple of the Sun God. And you, my friend, are in an arena. At least we think. Literally, it looks like it's set up to be an arena or maybe even a marketplace where they sell the traded goods. I mean, it is so massive and amazing, this archaeological site. This is dreamy. This is little Ava girl dreams come true. I've always wanted to see stuff like this. This is just so surreal being here and touching it and being able to walk on it. It's so crazy.
We're about to go up the Temple of the Sun God. Let's see what it's like.
I don't know if I'm quite ready for them stairs. Mosquitoes out here, man. Bring bug spray. It helps a little bit. I put some on, but they're still getting me.
We've made it.
On top of the Altun Ha, Temple of the Sun God. Literally where the sun sets.
Look at the drop. Ooh.
If I'm not mistaken, built in 200 BC around that frame. Crazy, y'all. What? Dreams. This is so spiritual and magical.
For reference. For reference.
The fact that there's not that many people here and there's no like security people like monitoring everything, it almost feels like I'm exploring the ruins myself and discovering bits on my own, you know, like that have yet to be discovered. I know they've been discovered. It's just I'm playing, okay? It's all in my mind. It's really cool. Like,
She's a big Lara Croft fan. She's feeling awfully Tomb Raidery.
all these years.
Gotta be some good luck right there.
So spiritual, so sacred, and so amazing. Worth it. If you are able to come and rent a car and drive around this country, the country of Belize, I mean, it's amazing. If you're not, thanks for being here and being on this journey with us, because it is just so amazing and such a blessing and such a privilege to actually be here. And thank you for being here with us.
We are at the Belize Zoo and I'm super excited about it. To our understanding, the animals, you get to get a little bit closer to them here.
Price per person was $15 US, which would be 30 Belize dollars per person. Not bad. Oh my God, that's an actual snake.
Of course, it's an actual, Sean called it a boop noodle.
A boot noodle?
Boop. It's a boop noodle. Never heard of one.
We're off, we're off, we're off, we're off, we're off! We're off to the wonderful Wizard of Oz on the yellow brick road. Bing, bing, bing.
Dun, 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 dun. I don't know the song exactly.
So what is this?
The jaguar.
It sounds really good.
The jaguar runs. Oh my god, he's so handsome. There's another one, I'm pretty sure.
Hello. Oh my god, I found the otter dogs.
River otters?
River otters, I found one.
But they're like water dogs.
River otter, right there. Cute.
There's a flip.
Aww.
Perfect, this little flip. He's so cute. He's so cute. His little noises. We need water
Okay,
dogs.
he's pretty cute.
Okay, so we getting water dogs?
I don't know.
Yeah,
But they are cute.
We need water
Look at the
dogs.
little
Did you
sound
hear
that
them?
they make. It's so cute.
Yeah, and they're a pack with dogs. So isn't that so cute? Look at them. Hey, buddy.
Whoa,
How
hi.
are you?
Hello.
You're a big guy. Hello.
That was cool. That was a cool shot.
Hello. Look at you. You're big. Come here, Sparks. Come here.
That's the national Belize animal. The national animal. Tapir.
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 Tapir. Hey, Sparks.
Hey, buddy.
Good afternoon.
Hey.
So what's on the menu today? Those teeth.
I'm gonna blame you.
He's friendly.
Hey, buddy.
Why are you smiling for the camera?
Hey, why are you trying to eat my finger, man? She's like, man, I'll eat your food.
You have officially been kissed by a white-tailed deer, y'all.
He's looking at my sweat.
The Belize Zoo is cool, y'all.
Yes, the Belize Zoo is cool, and the tapirs are so cool.
Yeah, what a unique experience to see the national animal. So let's go back to our crib.
Yes.
We still need to show you all that. Our crib.
Oh wait, we do gotta show the crib.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it right now.
Here.
Welcome to the jungle. Don't know the next lyric for some reason. Hey y'all, we are back at our crib that we have been staying at for since yesterday, and we didn't get a chance to show you just quite yet because we came during the nighttime. It is called Hidden Haven. What is really unique about this property is the owners, they are from the UK. They have been living here between 5 and 7 years. I can't remember the number. There is a central location where you have a pool that you can go swimming in. What's also really unique about this property is all the native Belize vegetation, including the fact that they can grow their own avocados here and mangoes, and they have chickens that free range around here. There's a lot of tropical things going on in this jungle of a yard, including our awesome cabin. So let me show you our cabin. Oh, we'll get a little closer look at that. How about you just follow me? Come on in. Oh, we have this really cool porch with a hammock though. Look, look, look.
Hammock.
Which is so neat to kind of bask in the sun and the vegetation. Very simple. Woo! If we wanted to cook, we could with a little refrigerator, stove, sink. Yes, as usual, we have been living in here. It is a hot mess. It looks like a family of 4 with 2 grown teenagers. And yeah, so don't judge that part of it, thanks. Of course, you get your shower, toilet, your comforts that you need. They have this little futon. It's actually like a little couch, but it folds out, so we have more room, a dining table. And then the rooms, they kind of split off. It's like a little triangle. You have our kids' room, which is really cool. A queen-size bed. And our room, another queen-size bed. And the AC, which is a big plus. So we're gonna show you the pool. Ah, you ready? Woo!
And there we are to finish. There's your fruit plate. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you, Jack.
Would you care for some eggs, my guy?
Arabella.
Our tour guide's name is Arabella. We've met her at Butts Up Company, and you get in your car and you drive a little further down to actually get to the meeting point of the cave. And from what I know, it's a 25-minute hike, and you get on your tubes, and the tubes brings you right back to the starting point.
To where we park, yes.
Where we parked. So that's cool. They also provide a meal, and we also let them know that, you know, we needed a vegetarian option, and they were able to cater to that.
We did elect to go private instead of with other people, and it is $50 a pop. That way we're not like with like
50
like say
Belize?
like 50 US.
50 US. So that's 100 Belize.
But we did get a private versus like, cause we didn't want to get stuck with say like a cruise ship that brought 30 people over.
But if you are more budget minded,
you can save money.
You can group up with other people you don't know, and you save $10 US a person, or 20 Belize.
Yep.
Yeah. So I'm so excited. We're literally about to go through a cave. Just here at Butts Up Cave Tubing, and we already have a friend, Mr. Frog.
Jumped on me.
You know me. Just hanging out with Charlotte.
We're gonna hike all the way to the cave. We're gonna enter the cave, and we're gonna tube all the way back here.
It is so pretty here. So we're having a little fresh dip before we go for the rest of the hike. And it is so cold. Like if you've been to Texas Hill Country, it's like that kind of water cold, but a little more. Woo! Oh my God, that was cold. It's my kiddos, Cash and Charlotte. My beautiful handsome son. And there's my dolphin, Will. Look at y'all, he's a serious swimmer.
Tickle.
Go back, go back. Wait. So beautiful. Oh, off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard. Off to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We're here! We have made it to the entrance to the cave!
We're going in
so
there.
Cool and so beautiful. What? Alright, so we're here. We're at the entrance of the cave. We're about to go in. We're going tubing in the water through a cave, and that's why you see that we have life jackets and a helmet with the light, because it is going to be pitch black.
Yes.
So we will do our best to share this with you as best as we can with our cameras, because sometimes filming in the dark is a little challenging. You might just see our head with a light above it.
It might be, yeah. But we'll see. We'll get what we get.
Yep, we'll get what we get.
We're ready for it.
We are ready.
Do this.
What? Look, Charlotte, so cute. Okay, this might be the best shot y'all get of all of us. We are about to go into the cave.
And it's about to be tour.
Woo, are you ready, Cash?
Yeah.
Charlotte, are you ready? Woo! Will?
Dad's ready.
Here we go, here we go.
That's cool. So all the water dropping down, I guess, is like forming stalactites and stuff.
That is pitch black, y'all. We're going into the underworld. Y'all, we're literally, it's just getting darker and darker. Oh my God, y'all. What did we get ourselves into? Ah! I'm so happy we're all doing this.
Turn on your light.
Oh, turn on the lights. And the light is on.
In biblical terms, means the underworld or hell.
Oh, look at that. That's the entrance. There's our awesome guide. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
She's so sweet.
Okay, guys, from here on,
Whoa.
I won't be able to touch, okay? So
Okay.
we're inside the cave. Goes to like 25 to 30 feet deep,
30 feet deep.
and somewhere it goes to like 6 inches shallow. I will let you know when it's really shallow. You will need to lift up your butt.
This is some Tomb Raider Laura Croft stuff right now. For real. We just got the call for Butts Up. Small Rapid.
Oh, we're moving. Oh, we're moving.
Whoa!
Oh, we are moving. Here, we moving. Oh yeah, that's that.
Yeah, what's up for real? Whoa!
This is cool. I honestly don't remember rapids. This is so cool.
Only reason we have the sunlight and vegetation.
Where the bats live. That's where the bats live.
Literally just floating in a cave. Like, are you kidding me? This is so, and honestly, this is such a spiritual, magical place. You can feel it. It's beautiful. So much history. And do you hear that, y'all? That's a waterfall coming up.
Guys, coming up here on the left, I'm getting the waterfall above water level. Look where the sunlight is falling. There's information that looks exactly.
We're in a cave in the pitch black with a waterfall. What?
How cool, right?
It's so cool. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That is awesome. So good! Our amazing tour guide. Look at her. She is strong. Woo! Y'all, this is exactly what it looks like in there, basically. Just all these cool formations that are amazing and waterfalls. We've made it to the end, y'all.
How did we not bring her?
Beautiful. Amazing.
This was amazing!
Wasn't this so magical and spiritual?
God, it's so cool. What a cool experience.
It really was.
Totally special.
So our tour guide, Arabella, is of Mayan descent, and she has allowed me to have her on film to speak the native tongue of Mopan.
There we go.
Welcome to my beautiful country. You are always welcome to visit.
Aww.
It's beautiful. You have a lot to see.
Thank you.
It is a beautiful country. It's such a beautiful country. God, I love Belize.
Me too. So beautiful and so magical.
It's so magical.
And thank you for that. You know, that was amazing to hear the native tongue, because how often do you get to hear that? You know, just like many languages in this world, it's a dying way of speaking.
And it's important. It's important to keep it alive.
So what's cool is they do have vegetarian options, and that looks amazing. Of course, for the meat eaters, they have the chicken, stewed Belizean chicken. So this is part of your ticket price, is a nice meal. My daughter Charlotte got the vegetarian option too.
We are in San Ignacio at Cahal Pech archaeological ruins. We are about to see yet another temple.
And if we are mispronouncing that, we are sorry.
So this is the ruins of a great farming community that ended up being a hilltop citadel. So let's go see. And it is unique too because you can actually go up on here, just like at Altun Ha. Hey family! How cool, right?
This is amazing!
Oh, yeah.
Ah! Look how cool. I want to show you this. There is still paint here from the Mayan civilization. And I'm not going to touch it. I do know you're not supposed to have it in sunlight
to make sure it maintains.
Yeah, a lot of places that we've seen, they've had like covers and stuff like that where you can still see different paints. But in here, they actually have like rooms that you can go in and you can see the paint clear, which is cool.
I want you to come follow me through this door, but I want you to take a look how cool it is. So neat. And come check out, I believe this is Plaza G.
E.
Plaza E. And just admire the fact that this has been taken over by nature and has been brought back to life in the 1990s. And they did such amazing work because, I mean, just look at this. Look.
So check out this cool room. Oh my God, the rooms here are wild.
We have another cool room to check out. I want you to take a look at the ceiling and see the green and the architectural design of it. I'm not sure if that's a bed or a resting place for someone.
The reds and the greens are so intricate.
And then there's this doorway that's been covered that looks like a tomb. We'll go stand in it for reference. But it's actually a doorway because there's a little peephole. You can see through it and it goes to the other room. I noticed it when we were in the other room.
You can see.
Yeah, so
Interesting.
weird how it's been covered.
They used to bury their loved ones underneath their floors and in benches in the house so that they could still be close to them.
So the spirits would remain in the home.
Yes.
Obviously tombs or temples were made for higher up art, hierarchy. Up high in the hierarchy.
High in the hierarchy.
High in the hierarchy. Yeah, I wish you could sometimes time travel. Y'all, one of my places I would love to go back to, there's many, trust me. But because we're here in this Mayan sacred spot, I wish I could go back in time and see how they actually live, just actually see it for real. How they speak, how they cook, how they sacrifice, just with my own eyes. That would be so neat. But this will do, I guess.
Our son has told us that there is something over here up these steps. So let's go see what we got. It's a whole area there.
Wow, there's little miniature temples down there.
Cahal Pech is it's a huge place, but it's really nice and it's so cool that you feel immersed and walkable on it, which is pretty unique, needless to say. Most ruins that we've gone to, everything's taped off and you feel like you have to stay far away, and it's cool appreciating it from afar, but it's unique going in these rooms and feeling the different feels of the rooms. Baby, so this is Plaza A. Right over there is the Royals quarters. Tell me your thoughts, baby.
Just wish I knew more. It's even more magical when you're in a Mayan ancestral archaeological site and it thunders. I hope we're still welcomed here.
So this is Plaza A. You can see all the rooms. Huge part of the temple over there.
There's just like stairs everywhere.
design just like totally blows my mind.
We're going on top of the main temple. And here comes the rain. We made it. Oh, it's really raining.
Oh wow. I never thought I wanted to stay on top of a Mayan temple while it's raining, but it adds a different texture, y'all. Wow. Oh. Holy crap. Woo. I get to stand up here while I get blessed by the rain god.
And there's Charlotte all the way down there. Hey, Charlotte! Well, you made it. You're back down. From all the ways up there.
It's magical, sacred, and beautiful. Where's the next one we're going to?
Man.
On the next trip. I don't know when, but in the future.
So I would like to add something. I would like to say how cool this place is, but it's only $5 US, which is pretty amazing when you boil it down like that. What can you get for $5? What's the last worthwhile thing that you spent $5 on? Adventure Seeker lovers.
Yes, good morning. So this is our last full day here in Belize, and we are really out in the wild now. Very western, really close to the country of Guatemala, near San
Ignacio.
And we are checking out Belize's natural waterfalls. Big rock waterfalls. Oh, by the way, this is the price of free $99.
Yes. Yes, awesome. yes. This is my favorite cost.
Do your poopsies off the trail, y'all. Do them in the bush.
I see some little waterfall lover over there that's feeling herself.
Oh my God, it's so awesome. It's so beautiful. It's like my childhood dreams. I'm finally getting to live them. Another waterfall added to my list, and I'm gonna see as many as I can before I'm put in the ground. What do y'all think of it?
Awesome. It's awesome. It's amazing.
Always making me a nervous wreck, my boys. Ugh. I know you moms out there know what I'm talking about. They're gonna be boys and do what they do, but I'm still gonna be a nervous wreck.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Good catch, Cash. That's my son, y'all. That's my daughter right there. Beautiful Charlotte.
Not gonna lie, this feels like super slippery on these rocks. Here we go, first jump. Ah! My son picked on me. He said I screamed like I was scared. Rude. So what's going on, guys?
Fish are biting our feet.
The fish are biting your feet, like in Mexico.
Yeah.
Like what you pay for.
Yep.
Nice. Let's go see these fish. Cash, I swear everywhere he goes, he wants to throw a football. This is crazy. This is one hell of a waterfall. What do you think of it, Bruno? Holy cow. I feel like I get like water baptized or something with some holy water.
You wonder why I have goggles? Will told me he's been to the waterfall behind it already. It's like impossible to see without them, really, because of how strong it is. Oh my god!
Go to the left, baby. You'll be able to grab those rocks easy.
I hurt my blood!
There's another slide right here.
Oh my god!
Amazing, worth it. I'm glad you're on the journey with us. If you're able to come to Belize, I'm telling you, rent a car and explore the country besides its beaches. It is magical, spiritual, sacred, and what a privilege and blessing to be here.
Welcome to the jungle!
Thank you so much for watching our epic journey through the country of Belize. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment what you thought about it. Until then, safe travels, and we'll see you next time.